Hey friends, Mrs. Kitchen here from Mrs. Kitchen's class. Today I'm going to teach you about the Microsoft Teams calendar. So once you've logged into the portal and scrolled all the way down to click on Microsoft Teams, what will happen is if you've already logged in and chosen to stay logged in, you'll come up onto a screen that looks kind of like this, where you'll see all of your teams, and over to the left you'll see calendar. So that is where we're going to explore today. When you click calendar, and you go to today's date, or in this case a little bit in the future, you'll see these blue blocks of time, and what you'll do is you'll click on it and then click join in order to join our class meeting. When you click join, you'll need to allow your microphone and your video, and then once you do that, it will come up on a screen like this. You're going to want to keep your video on. If you would like to mute, you may. Please make sure that you are in a quiet place, and then you'll click join now. Now, because I have not started this meeting, it will say that you'll be able to join once the organizer starts. So that is how you go in and find your different calendar events and join your class meetings in your Microsoft Team calendar. You'll need to scroll down for ones that are later on in the day if it doesn't do that for you, which it should automatically. This is the team that we'll be working in this year, and here are some of the channels over here on the left. Here's our welcome message from me. And then up at the top, we have our different tabs, and we'll go over that more when school starts. I'm super excited to learn with you. Hopefully this video was helpful for you and you'll be able to join us in Microsoft Teams. Until next time, friends, stay educated, and I will see you in class. Bye.